Hello friends, welcome to Engineering Funda family. In this video, I'll be going to explain you one very interesting problem based on designing of instrumentation amplifier using operational amplifier. To understand this problem, you need to go through my last video based on instrumentation amplifier, in which I have explained instrumentation amplifier using operational amplifier in complete details. If you have seen that video, in which I have explained derivation of output with this instrumentation amplifier. That output equation that I have derived, that was V out is equals to R2 by R1. That R2 by R1, that gain is associated with stage 2. Stage 2, that is this much portion of circuit. And this much gain, that is 1 plus 2R3 by Rg, that is associated with stage 1. So that is a gain associated with this much portion of circuit. So in total gain, that is multiplication of R2 by R1 into 1 plus 2R3 by Rg. Now based on this equation, I'll be going to design circuit based on requirements which are there with us in this problem statement. So in this question, what is given, you see, design an instrumentation amplifier whose gain can be varied from 1 to 1000. So here we are deal with to design this circuit which is having gain varying from 1 to 1000. Now here gain is changing. So but obviously these components cannot be static. Out of these components, we need to have at least one component that is variable. Here let us assume this Rg, that is a variable resistor over here, and by changing value of Rg, we will be changing gain from 1 to 1000. So here, as I have told you, output equation is R2 by R1 into 1 plus 2R3 divided by Rg into differential input, that is V2 minus V1. And in this equation, this much portion that belongs to gain. Here gain is varying from 1 to 1000. So we need to select value of R1, R2, R3, and we need to derive range of Rg. As I have told you, here Rg is variable component, right? So here if you observe this gain component, so in that, see this R2 by R1, let us assume that is half. To keep R2 by R1 is equals to half, I'll be selecting R2 is equals to 1 kilo ohm. So based on that, you can say R1, that will be 2 kilo ohm. So by selecting R1 and R2, we can have R2 by R1, that is a gain of stage number 2. So that is associated with this much portion of circuit, right? Now we need to observe this much portion of circuit in which R3 is constant. You see R3, that is not variable. So here we need to assume R3 as well. Now how to assume R3? If you observe here, gain is ranging from 1 to 1000. So as gain is ranging from 1 to 1000, 1000 is higher value. So as gain is there in terms of 1000 over here, R3 that should be also high. So I can consider R3 by 1 mega ohm even, but here for simplicity, I'll be considering R3 is equals to 100 kilo ohm. So let us assume R3 to be 100 kilo ohm. So now we got the value of R1, R2 and R3, that we need to place it in this gain formula, and we need to derive Rg in form of gain, right? So here what I'll do is I'll be explaining you this gain, that is G, that is equals to, this is half over here into 1 plus 2R3, where R3 is how much? 100 kilo ohm. So 100 into 10 to the power 3 divided by Rg. Now let us simplify this in form of Rg. So here this 2 will go on other side. So we'll be having 2G, and then this 1 that is getting subtracted over here. So minus 1, that is equals to 2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by Rg. Now we need to have Rg. So Rg is how much? 2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 2G minus 1. So now we have the value of Rg in form of gain. And as I have told you, gain is ranging from 1 to 1000, right? So let us assume value of gain 1 by 1. So if gain is equals to 1, in that case, what will be the value of Rg? Then Rg, that will be 2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 2 into 1 minus 1. So in denominator, we will be having 1. What it means? 2 into 10 to the power 5 only. So 2 into 10 to the power 5 means 200 kilo ohm. So Rg value, that is 200 kilo ohm, as if gain is equals to unity. Now we need to have gain up to 1000. So for that, now we will be assuming value of G is equals to 1000. So in that situation, what will be the value of Rg? In that situation, Rg will be 2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 2 into 1000 minus 1. Now if you observe here, denominator part, so that is 2000 minus 1. So that is 1999. Approximately you can say that is 2000 only. So 2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by 2000, that will be resulting into approximated value, that is 100 ohm over here, right? So here Rg that is ranging from 100 ohm to 200 kilo ohm for a variation of gain from 1 to 1000, right? Now, as I have told you, we have assumed fixed components like R1, R2 and R3, right? So with R1 value is 2 kilo ohm. Let us place it over here. R1 should be 2 kilo ohm, and R2 that we have assumed that is of 1 kilo ohm. So let us place it over here. And we have assumed R3 value that has to be 100 kilo ohm. So let us place it over here. And Rg value that will be ranging from 100 ohm to 200 kilo ohm. So as if you change Rg value from 100 ohm to 200 kilo ohm, overall gain of this circuit that will be having range from 1 to 1000. Where as if this Rg is 200 kilo ohm, at the time gain is equals to 1. And as if Rg is 100 ohm, at the time gain is equals to 1000. Here there are few basic things that you need to note down. See, sometimes they will be giving you this circuit in which here there will be series combination of fixed resistor and variable resistor, right? So instead of Rg, sometimes they may give you series combination of fixed resistor, that is R4, in series with one variable resistor R. So here accordingly you will have to do calculation where R4 that is fixed, that you can assume as per your understanding in terms of calibration, and based on that you will be getting value of R, which will be changing gain over here, right? So that is how you need to have some modification in circuit as and when some other components are given to you. I hope you have understood all those things. Still, if anything that you would like to share, please note it down in comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.